Hello and welcome to my channel, fellow learners. Today, we're delving into Class 9 English, Unit 2, Reading 1, The Acceleration Behind Telehealth Services, Exercises Solution. If you find value in our discussions and solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming lessons and helpful content. Let's embark on this journey of knowledge together. Exercises Solution. A. The meanings of some of the words from the interview are given below. Find the words and fill in the crossword puzzle. Across. 1. Psychological treatment of people using dialogue. Answer: psychotherapy. 2. Process of sorting patients. Answer: triage. 3. To prepare and arrange. Answer: deploy. 4. Special department of a hospital for intensive care of patients. Answer: ICU. Down. 5. To include as a part. Answer: incorporate. 6. Identification of nature and cause of a disease. Answer: diagnosis. 7. Not having sufficient service. Answer: underserved. 8. Epidemic over a wide geographical area. Answer: pandemic. B. Read the interview again and write whether the following statements are true or false. A. Internet service is necessary to use telehealth services. True. B. While providing telehealth services, health professionals are at high risks of being infected due to the exposure to patients. False. C. Telehealth service can be the best alternative to a face-to-face service. True. D. The problem with the lack of medical staff will be solved to a great extent with telehealth technology. True. E. The success of telehealth programs depends on the infrastructure and the best use of IT tools. True. C. Answer the following questions. A. What is telehealth service? Answer: telehealth service is a method of providing medical care remotely, usually through video chat. B. What are the advantages of using telehealth programs? Answer: the advantages of using telehealth programs include faster, safer, and more effective medical care, lower costs, and increased accessibility to healthcare services. C. Why? According to Dr. Chang, is the telehealth service growing rapidly? Answer: according to Dr. Chang, the telehealth service is growing rapidly due to the global COVID-19 pandemic and the increasing demand for healthcare services. D. How is the telehealth program important during a pandemic? Answer: during a pandemic, telehealth programs are important as they allow access to medical care without the need to visit hospitals, reducing the risk of infection for both patients and healthcare staff. E. Why are the patients in remote areas not getting adequate health services? Answer: patients in remote areas may not be receiving adequate healthcare services due to insufficient resources and long distances to travel for medical care. F. Mention the top 3 challenges of telehealth services. Answer: the top 3 challenges of telehealth services are the lack of infrastructure, limited connectivity in certain areas, and the learning curve for healthcare professionals to adapt to telehealth technology. Grammar 1. B. Choose the correct answer. A. I need help, doctor. My baby doesn't sleep well. What? Answer: 2. Should I do? B. The aeroplane only allows 2 pieces of luggage. You pack too much or you will have to take it out at the airport. Answer: 1. Had better not. C. A. I think that the grade my teacher gave me on my test is wrong. B. Really? You. To her after class today. Answer. 2. Ought to talk. D. It's raining and I don't want to get my dress wet. I. An umbrella. Answer. 3. Had better take. E. Dinesh loves chocolate, but he too much or he will put on weight. Answer. 1. Shouldn't eat. F. My mother isn't feeling well, so I told her that she to the doctor. Answer. 2. Ought to go. G. It's so hot. B. Your jacket. Answer. 1. Should take off. H. I'm going to visit your country. Where? If I want to go shopping. Answer. 1. Should I go? Writing 1. This is Ayush, 14 years, from Bharatnagar. He likes to sit on the sofa for hours every day, watching TV and eating a lot of snacks. Write a couple of paragraphs about him. You may use the guiding questions given below. A. What is the problem with Ayush? B. What should he stop doing to be healthy? C. What should he start doing? D. What advice would you give him to maintain a healthy life? Answer. Ayush, a 14-year-old from Bharatnagar, faces a problem with his health. He spends long hours sitting on the sofa, munching on snacks, and watching TV. This habit has led him to gain excess weight and become unhealthy. To improve his health, Ayush needs to stop sitting for hours and eating lots of snacks every day. Instead, he should start being more active, like going for walks or playing sports with friends. Eating healthier snacks, like fruits or nuts, and limiting his TV time can also help him. The advice to Ayush would be to balance his activities by including more physical movements in his daily routine. He should try to reduce his screen time and opt for healthier snacks to fuel his body. Additionally, seeking support from family or friends can make it easier for him to stick to his new habits. By making these changes, Ayush can maintain a healthier life and avoid the health risks associated with being overweight. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. I will be right back.